Welcome back everybody. So guys, we've learned a lot of things. Right now I just want to teach you about some kind of string functions. You know about the functions already, but you just don't know about the pre-built functions, the functions which are already available in the JavaScript. You just don't need to create them. For example, we can use a function to make our text, the string, uppercase, the lowercase, or capitalize, and a lot of them like that. So we should start from now. First of all, I'm just creating a variable here, the var1, and assigning the value to it like hello world. Okay, and go down and just press enter, and then what I'm just gonna do, just calling the var1 there, document dot write. Okay, and then go there and the var1. So I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. Now you can see that the hello world is there, which is really simple, nothing new. But what more I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a period. So now then just type TOUPPER CASE. Now you can see that this is a camel style, that the first word of this sentence is small, and then all of them are capitalized, each word, each character. You can see that the U is capital and C is capital, so this is case sensitive, so you should be careful. And then just add the parentheses and go to the browser, and you know that these are the small letters. Now refresh. Now all of them are the capital for now. Pretty awesome. Duplicate, and there, duplicate that once again, sorry, yeah, now duplicate, and now delete the text, and it should be the BR, as you know, the BR, and save. And there to lowercase, not the uppercase anymore, so lowercase, save, and go to the browser and refresh. Now this is a lowercase, but before that I think I should show the general one. So another BR here, the original form. So the original is, remove all that, save, and go to the browser and refresh. Now this is the original. You can see that only the first characters are capital, but there all of them are small. One thing more I'm just doing in the original one, the W is small for now. Refresh. Now you can see that this is just same. In the same way, there is another interesting function, and another way I just want to show you that that we are just calling the functions inside the document.write, but we can do another thing too. Here, for example, I'm just typing another variable, the var2, and then the var1 dot to uppercase. So in this way, what I'm just gonna do, I'm just going there and just removing this one, just typing var2. So now you know that the var2 has the function. So go to the browser and refresh. Now it's still the same because nothing changed. I just simply changed the method. The view is already same. Now I just want to do another thing. I'm just applying the var3, and one thing more, add the comma here. Okay, and going there and equal to, and then the var1 again, not the var2. Okay, var2 has the uppercase, but I'm just typing the var1 dot replace. I just want to replace something from the variable, the var1. What I just want to replace, I just want to replace the world. So first of all, type what do you want to replace, or from where you want to replace, and what do you want to replace. So from where, I just want to replace the world with class, just for the for just teaching you. Now the world will be class in var3. So just simply copy this and paste after the two lowercase there, and now I'm just calling here the var3. So the var3 here, and just go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that the hello class, not the hello world anymore. So it's actually working. This is what I just want to show you. Copy and paste and save, and go back to the browser and refresh. Now hello class. So the replace works in this way. Something more I just want to show you. So I'm just pressing enter, and then the var4. I think I should type the ans4 for the answers. So the var 1 dot slice. This is another function, the slice, and what it does, basically we can extract some text from the complete string. For example, I just want to get the hello from the hello world, so we just need to type the position of the starting to the ending. I just want to start from 0, the h is 0, and I just want to end to 5. So simply just copy that and paste there. Okay, now I just want to get the ans1 instead of the the var3, so ans4, sorry, the 4, and save and go to the browser back and refresh. Now you can see that I'm just only getting the hello. The complete is hello world. I just updated the hello class only in var3, so the h1 is still the hello world. So what more I'm gonna do, I'm just going there. So just for testing, I'm just going there, and I just want to show you. For example, that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the spaces also count in numbers, in characters basically. So I just want from the 5 to 10, save and then go to the browser and refresh. Now I will get the WORLD, sorry, from 6, the 6 will be selected. So refresh now from world, and because this is 6, so this should be 11. Save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now I'm getting the world only. So I think you just understood about the slice. This is really common, but there is another way to do the same thing with a little different method. I'm just simply duplicating, but this time, or I think I should make a new one. The ans5 equal to the var1. I'm applying another function, the sub string. Okay, and what more I'm doing, I'm just what the way to work in a string actually, it's equal, same just like the slice, but what is the difference? I just want to clear about that too. You can see that I just put it the 6 and 11, so I'm just simply copying both of them, and yeah, I copy it and just pasting there. Then you will see the same thing. Refresh now, another world. So they both are the same, but difference is in the slice, for example, you have a big word. For example, I'm just typing, instead of the simple hello world, I'm just creating another variable, the var5, okay, and I'm just typing here, this is a new and big paragraph. Now for example, you just want to select the big, so you have to count the words, the characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, a lot more. So you have the way to select from the last one, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from the 10 to 11, 12, 13. So basically if you just from the 10 to 13, so I can, in this slice, I can get the, I can give negative values too. So minus 10 from the 10 to minus 13. Yeah, exactly, minus 13. Now go to the browser, but for now this should be var2, not the var1. Otherwise they both are same, but string can accept the negative values. Refresh, only the h, I just applied the var2 there. Oh my gosh, that this should be the ins5. Now save and refresh. Now they are different, but what more I need here, there should be the 10 and there should be the 13. Now save and go back to the browser and refresh for now. Well, basically the previous one was right, but actually I'm just selecting the var2, but this is var5, not the var2. So with the underscore, the var5. Now save and go to the browser back and refresh. Now you can see that I just selected the big. The method was right, but I was just selecting the wrong variable. That's why I got the issue. By the way, I think you understood that it can receive the negative values, means you can select from the last, and you just need to add the minus sign, means the negative sign. But substring cannot accept this. But there is another way, same like that, but with a little difference. The ins6. Now I'm selecting the var5 again, var5, and then dot sub str. Okay, but what the sub str can do, for example, I just want to select the big again, or I just want to select the world again this time. Okay, so I'm just not selecting the var5, I'm just selecting the var1 because I just want to select the hello world from the hello world, and I just want to select from the 6 to 11. You can see that if I just want to select the world, so from the 6 to 1 2 3 4 5 means 11. So from the 6, but there I just cannot type the 11 because in this time in the substr, first one should be the first element, the position, the second one should be length. So from the 6, 1 2 3 4 5, I just want to select 5 characters from the 6. This is a difference between the substr and substring and slice. The slice, that substring only picks the first one is the position and the second one is the length. So go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that, oh, this is the world. The mean is, actually I just didn't call the ins5 ins6 yet, so let's just simply copy and just press enter and paste, and it should be on ins6. Now save and go to the browser back and refresh. Now again I'm getting the world. That means it's working pretty awesome. Again, if you just want to select from the last, so you just can add the minus sign on the first parameter. Means you can start from the negative value, but you cannot do this on the second parameter because you know that the second one is the length in the substr, not the position. So guys, you just understood these simple functions. One last function, or actually two last functions, I just want to teach you in this class. So for now, which one do you want to select? I just want to select the var5 for now. So ans7, okay, in equal to, and first of all the variable, the var5 dot index, I should be small, index of, this is the way. Now index of basically can search the element from any variable, just like I just selected, I just fixed the var5. So from the var5 I just want to get the position of the big, this is the big, you know, so big, the big. Now save, and this should be ans. It will give you the position of the character of the b, basically not the complete big, basically the b. So copy, and after the copy just simply paste that there, and ans7 I just want, so save and go to the browser and refresh. Now 18 is the position of b, especially the b and the big. But the benefit to typing the complete word is just that, for example, if it's just type a, so it can be confused that you want to talk about this a or that a. So you should type the complete word, for example a and d. So a and d is only one in there. So this is the way you can select the index of. Now something more, dot, there are a lot, sorry, you know that I have to use the APOS for this thing. You know that there are a lot more big paragraphs. Save and now refresh, and you can see that it just confused because we just updated the paragraph. But, or I think just duplicate, and this should be the same because our previous setting is disturbing for this thing, the var6 for now, and there I'm just applying the var6 and save and just go and refresh. Now it's still 18. However, you can see that it didn't confuse that which big we are talking. There are two bigs, this big and this big, so which one we was talking about, it didn't get confused. So duplicate that. Basically what the index of does basically, it selects the start one. The start one is this one b, not that one. So now this should be ans8, and the we just need to update the function. The last index of last, and I should be capital for now, and then you know that we just need to select the ans8, copy that, the complete, and paste just after that here the ans8, and save and go to the browser and refresh. Now the 57 has been selected. So why the 57? Because the second one, now it's basically selecting from the last. So from the last, this one is, and it's on a 57th position. So exactly it's giving me the perfect result. So guys, we've learned a lot more string functions. You should practice all of them because all of them are important. Exactly, especially the case changer and the searching and the replace function are really important. In the next class we'll learn some more elements, so stay tuned and goodbye.